Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Silje. I am from Norway. I am making these YouTube videos while I am waiting on taking over a small farm. I love animals and I love to be outside. I love to pick mushrooms and other edible plants. And I hope to bring you along to see all this. I have already gotten 2 kittens and many mealworms, and I will get chickens and quails in the future. I hope to bring you along on my journey in the future to see how my farm progresses and how many animals I will get, and how to live an easy, quiet lifestyle in the nature. I will have the woods and a lake as my closest neighbors. No neighbors nearby. That will be very nice. The next 2 weeks I will show you nature and my kittens and the mealworms and how spring progresses in Norway. So in Norway we trust other people a lot, even though we shouldn't. But here you can see a cabin in the woods. It's free to use and it's never locked. You can go inside, watch the view of the lake. You can even sleep here during the night. And you can make up a fire. It's really nice. Today I need to feed my mealworms and maybe remove the old food. They are doing great. I did get the last one in the mail and everyone had survived. So I have about 2,500 now. Let's remove the old food first. It's a pupa. My first pupas hatched into beetles last night, so I have 3 beetles now. I will show you my beetle box when I get some more beetles. I have all these pupas. I have more also in the beetle box. It's a bit cold, so they take a while to hatch. They love to climb on the cardboard. They are even eating it. They are really fascinating. There we go. It takes a few minutes every other day to keep them healthy. It will take some more time when I get many more. Hey kitten! Hey kitten! Oh, you're so cute. No, that's not food for you. That's food for the chickens. No. No. That's my food. That's my food. Oh. Hello. Hello, you. Hello. No, that's not food for you. Not food, no. Oh, are they moving? Do you wonder what I'm doing? Yeah, that's my food. Hello. No. Oh. No. Oh, you crazy kitten. You crazy cute kitten. So the kittens are doing great. They are getting really familiar around the house. They are super cute, playful and cuddly. No. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. That's mine. Oh. No. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.